Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options available on this REALME. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Sound and Vibration. Now tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on ring to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on Vibration Intensity and swipe left or right on those two sliders to adjust intensity of incoming calls vibrations and notification ones. When you're ready, tap on this gray area. In order to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations, click on Sound Mode and set up Vibrate by clicking on it. Now scroll all the way down, click on Ringtone, tap on Allow in Statement of Use pop-up, and select Vibration at the top. Following that, adjust vibrations for your incoming calls however you wish to. You can disable them completely by choosing No Vibration. Synchronize them with ringtone by tapping on this first option, or set up the best vibration pattern for you, in my case, clock swing. Whatever you do, when you're ready, tap on the back button. Now select haptics and tones. Last but not least, click on this switcher next to System Haptics to disable or enable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. If you decide to enable this feature, you can also adjust intensity of those haptics by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!